ano lang, kumbaga, nung halftime, i-remind na we need to stay aggressive. Eh. Pero nung lumabas kami ng halftime, naging flat kami. So, nawala yung aggression on defense. Eh. So, that's why nakakuha ng momentum yung UP. So, I need to reshuffle, FPU. I need to reshuffle right away the players para makakuha talaga ng right combination. So, good thing, yung mga nag-reshuffle kong mga players nag-step up. So, especially these two guys na hindi kailangan kunin yung bola, hingin yung bola. So, yung mga little things naging into gold para sa amin. So, very crucial for us this win dahil mabigat yung kalaban namin next week. So, hopefully, we became ready right away. Alam naman natin kung ano yung kalidad ng kalaban namin next week. So, we need to prepare. So, big boost for us. This win, confident para on Wednesday. Wednesday.
And to Omar, 16 points, 9 bounds, 2 steals, 1 block. So yun na, sabi ni Coach Jeff, those little things that carry me to victory. So, what can you say about your hard work in the game to lead and to victory?
I just stick on the game plan and what's my role because in the first quarter I tried to put 2 shots and coach pull me out and remind me what's my role. And once I stick on that, that's why I scored 16 points. Like without asking the police or forcing anything, just doing my role, setting screen, help my teammate on the defense, getting those rebounds. That's why.
Thank you. And Jolo, you had 30 points, 2 assists, 9 rebounds, 1 steal, 1 block, and plus 8. So yun na. Nagawa niyo manalo kahit nahabol yung every sa first quarter. So, ano yung mga lessons na tutulong niyo para moving forward, hindi maulit yung mga ganitong sitwasyon, especially sa mga sa schedule mabigat?
Siguro parang more on decision making namin na mag-less turnovers kasi kasalanan din naman namin kung bakit nakahabol yung nag-run yung FAU kanina. So siguro mas ang tawag dito parang mas magandang decision making yung gagawin every time na kung sino man may hawak ng bola and kung sino man mag-decision